Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning and AI. First, establish a strong foundation in mathematics, including linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. These core subjects provide the essential framework for understanding complex algorithms. Next, become proficient in a programming language like Python, which is widely used in the field. Focus on libraries such as NumPy and Pandas for efficient data handling. This initial phase is crucial and typically takes about 2 to 3 months of dedicated study. Once your foundation is solid, dive into core machine learning concepts. Understand algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and clustering. Explore popular frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, which streamline model building. Dedicate time to practical skills like data preprocessing, feature engineering, and evaluating model performance using metrics like accuracy and precision. This stage involves hands-on coding and can take approximately 3 to 4 months to grasp thoroughly. The best way to solidify your understanding is through practical application. Start with small, guided projects to implement algorithms and frameworks. Consider participating in online competitions on platforms like Kaggle. These offer real-world problems and valuable feedback. Building a portfolio of diverse projects, from image classification to natural language processing, is essential. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 significant projects to demonstrate your capabilities effectively. This hands-on phase is continuous and iterative. To continue growing, delve into advanced topics such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, or natural language processing, depending on your interests. The field evolves rapidly, so staying updated with new research and emerging technologies is vital. Engage with the community by networking with other professionals and contributing to open-source projects. Continuous learning is key. Allocate at least 1 to 2 hours daily for reading and experimentation to maintain your edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.